Hello, I'm Finest Chung, and this is the Pirouette en dehors, lesson 12. It's our final lesson, and I hope you have looked at the preceding podcast because they all contain very important steps which lead up to this. In any case, today we're going to work on the quick pas de bourrée on the diagonal, directly into fourth position, no tendu, and then the pirouette. And Sachiko is going to show you. Okay, so Sachiko, you begin in fourth. So now, as you do this pas de bourrée, so you need to step into a balance there, okay, and you're going to push, right. So you want to make sure that toe is lined up with that shoulder, and plié and spot, right. Okay, how about the other side? So it's very important, you know, that you're really lining yourself up, placing yourself, okay, and here, now where are you going to put your toe? Shoulder, plié, ping, take it a little slower. Don't be such a hurry to go up. I want to see the plié a little bit more. Plié, yes, right. Go the other way. So when the balance is not solid, then again, it's usually going to mean your shoulder is here. And one of the reasons your shoulder isn't there is because you're pulling yourself up and away from your toe, right? Okay. So just very quiet. One. Now get your focus. Get your focus. Push. So I want you to really finish that toe. Where's your toe? Push. Yes. Yes, that's what you want to do. You want to get stuck like that. Good. See, so you don't need a lot of force because you're focused and you're winding up and your muscles are connected. So you just need to place it and push. Right? Okay. And tiam, ta, ti, ti. Yeah, a little bit more plié. Don't be in a hurry. Even more than that. Right knee, ti. Okay. Yeah. So let's fix this one again. Just try this one again. That don't be in a hurry. I want to make sure you keep this shoulder here, right? And you're going to push down, down. Yeah. You see, again, that's how you know, right? That's how you, so it's different, you know, because Sachiko's not a left turner, as maybe a lot of you aren't. So it doesn't feel as comfortable. It's not as natural, but you can still learn to do it. Okay, it'll always feel uncomfortable, but you can do it. Okay, do you want to try double? Okay, excuse me. Okay, you know, same idea. One, and toe, shoulder, wait, and yeah, oh, three, okay, all right. And one, and two, plié. Oh, careful, okay, let's be careful because that one a little bit, yeah, arms got fat. Remember, your arms don't move faster than your leg, right? So listen to your plié, listen to your plié. Okay, a little bit more pushing down, yes, you're falling back. You got to get this left knee. This left knee's got to get over your toe. Plié. Okay, a little bit more over the toe. Let's try the other side. Let's try the other side. It's good to just change sides so you work different muscles. Okay, and here. Okay, now slowly. And toe. It's a little bit more over here. D. So let's keep it right in here. Right in here. Boom, boom, boom. Good. Right. Yes. Yes. You see, if we can go to the moon and come back, you can do double pirouette. Good. That looks nice. Okay, relax. Good. You can relax too.